Cinder and Stradale join us as we hit a few restaurants lakeside at Lake of the Ozarks. It's pretty windy today, creating a lot of chop on the lake, so the ride's a little rougher than we would like. But we make it to our first stop, Bare Bottoms. The dogs just hang out as we get our table, order some food and drinks. The restaurant is kind of busy today, with lots of people out enjoying the beautiful lake weather. But the dogs settle in, that is, until the food arrives. They are waiting so patiently, hoping we share some of our food. And they do score some delicious treats. We pay our tab and start heading back down to the dock to get back on the boat. Boys take a chance to sniff around a little bit on the way down to the dock. It's early and such a beautiful day, we decided we were going to make one more stop. One of the neat things about this lake is all of the houses that are lakeside. Most of them have boat docks and boats right on the lake. All of them are so unique. So here's ready. This last stop for us is Big Wig's Aquarium. Best known for their minnow shot, but we are not going to do that today. It's busy here, but the boys don't seem to mind. They just lay down and take a little nap. We pay our tab and